welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Rahul Gandhi slams the Indian and Meghalaya governments. Voice of the People Party suspends agitation pending Chief Minister meeting. Comprehensive health awareness program empowers Mairang's youth. And MLA Ampareen Lingdo updates progress on street vendor shift in Shillong East. And now the news in detail. Rahul Gandhi slammed the Indian and Meghalaya governments, rejecting New Delhi's dominance over Shillong and decrying a 40-year high in youth unemployment. Responding to corruption allegations by Amit Shah, Gandhi highlighted the paradoxical call for collaboration. He strongly criticized the exclusion of Garo and Khasi languages from the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, emphasizing a drastic departure from established norms. Thousands, including Congress leaders, welcomed Gandhi on a symbolic walk from Umlingkadat to NSCA Paham CM Nongpo, signaling a united front against perceived injustices and policy deviations.
Please.
A two-day protest, the Voice of the People Party VPP demanded the re-employment of 3 Lokayukta officers dismissed by the Meghalaya government without valid proof. On January 22nd, following discussions with Dr. Ampareen Lingdo, VPP President Adan Milla Basayomot expressed dissatisfaction, stating that no decisions were reached. Dr. Ampareen suggested a meeting with the Chief Minister and other officials. Consequently, the VPP has temporarily halted its agitation, vowing to resume if concerns are unaddressed. Adan reiterated the party's commitment to addressing people's hardships and taking to the streets if necessary.
Which go out of the stand of the government, and like I said, my role was to listen and then present our discussions to the highest authority of the state, which is the honorable Chief Minister, and please wait for that communication to come from his end. My role here as Law Minister, we had a discussion. We indicated certain reasons and certain decisions that were taken. There is dissatisfaction, and likely this is what has caused this friction. Honorable Chief Minister will do the needful, and I can only assure you and through you the people of the state that matters are going to be discussed, and whatever needs to be discussed will be highlighted by the Honorable Chief Minister, who will definitely meet you to give you an update on this matter. I want to discuss these matters because, like I said, discussions have taken place. Let these be communicated to the head of the state, who's the Honorable Chief.
On January 22nd, the Tirat Singh Memorial Hall in Pindeng Umyong, Mairang echoed with the essential voices of health advocacy. Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, in collaboration with Disha Nongstoin Cluster, the Office of District Tuberculosis Officer for West Khasi Hills, and Adolescent Health Clinic Mairang, orchestrated a crucial initiative: awareness cum sensitization on HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis and substance abuse. Tailored for peer educators in Mairang block, the program seeks to equip individuals aged 15 and above with knowledge to cascade information on drugs effects, HIV, tuberculosis and the perils of early age marriages. Notable figures like Deputy Mainstreaming Meghalaya AIDS Control Society A. Lanong, Dr. S. Emle, Tuberculosis Unit Officer Mairang, and P. Milliam Umlong, Adolescent Counselor and State Program Associate, Piramal Foundation. S. M. Young graced the occasion, emphasizing the collective commitment to fostering informed and responsible health practices among the youth.
What? HIV common human the trauma. Number five, also stang or common awakening in the way. Political sensitization of peer educators. Now, but the leadership show it how to opinion. I awareness show you key. Igisno kita bagi perlu perlu juga, bagi beda kertas juga. Mau, nak program juga ni apa target kami orang ikut council meneru, ni apa target kita kita apa dengan kacau senam berdoa apa kita islam. Lemar kumpulan kini kita kertas kacau senam kita islam kita orang kita tahu vulnerable stage. Artinya lawan mana juga yang ini punya macam ni, mau kita. Mau. The human immunodeficiency virus kemudian baru yang tentang kesenam jauh beriu dan mereka beriu. Membran lagi merat, lagi kenyang, lagi doha, lagi sin, lagi ding, lagi berkor. Mo, tes kau pun ada beriu dan mereka beriu. Ada layu yang kenyang HIV, ada kimsin yang kita treatment dan kita kasih semua. Kakelasaka, biar yang mentan, kakelasaka AIDS. Mo, kasi po ako terlalu suppose na mga HIV kung kelas ka, AIDS. Mo, kung ko na kita kalat sumara na kita treatment kung yung berat ko yun tamba nabentay iberiyo yung mga ng HIV kadang kita treatment kung yoga anti-retroviral therapy. Maguniw na way, maguniw na pagprojan, pagmlaan na pagprojan itapnya, kanilang kibitik na yun na way, laban yun nga, kumba imangi. Khubor dan yodoknya HIV. Mo, kawin pun mana ni Khubor. Dan tarai betul Peit, dan tak saulat saurat mau beriu dan Khubor kiyo yodoknya HIV. Dan belah betul kelat penuh pakum nu beriu dan Khubor kilau yodoknya HIV. Terus dia tu. Menolak betul Peit, dan tak saulat saurat mau beriu dan Khubor kilau yodoknya HIV. Menolak ayat kawin kelat, bukan beriu, kerana beriu kita beriu yang jadi. Seperti serah coklat ini, kau tahu itu coklat yang seperti?
Yo shisha.
Yo shisha.
Physical contact, blood transmitted, mother and child transmitted, but using same injection.
On January 22nd, MLA Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh shared insights after meeting with the Lajumkra Dorbar and various departments. The meticulous preparation and relocation of street vendors in Lajumkra and surrounding areas continue. Dr. Ampreen mentioned that the ongoing shift of 89 vendors to Veronica Lane will significantly open up space for the public, easing commutes. This collaborative effort emphasizes creating a more organized and accessible environment. The engagement between local authorities and vendors underscores a commitment to enhancing both economic opportunities for vendors and the overall urban experience for the public in Shillong East.
Hawker's policy, and we will shortly be able to relocate these vendors from Police Point to Beat House in the interest of public, in the interest of not disrupting and occupying spaces which were meant for pedestrian way of ride. Looks like everything is in order, and we hope that the vendors committee will be able to fast track this, and I hope and I'm crossing my fingers that everything will go well. By the 10th to 15th, in between these days, we will issue the relocation to these various hawkers, and we look forward to a hawker-free zone, because this is very important for us to understand. That is an important way where all people, whether students, office goers, citizens and residents of Khubor and neighboring places, walk. I do not anticipate that we'll have much of a problem anymore, because we have gone as per the Hawkers Act, and I hope that we will be able to do this. This is just one of the things that we have decided in that meeting. We have also had the opportunity to interact with traffic personnel in the leadership of Additional Secretary Shakil Ahmed Sir, and we have decided that we have requested the Darbar Pulun to go back to its executive committee to present before the executive committee the necessity of changing the entire ring road of Khubor towards Dankiti and then Beat House and back. We are considering a one-way in that area, and we are going to also be looking at all one-ways within auxiliary roads around the main ring road around Khubor. If everybody is on the same page and if we are all in agreement, there is a high probability that we will again revert to a one-way around that area. The direction of this one-way will again be decided by the Darbar committee along with the executive committee of the Darbar, because this is important, and I hope that that would also be good, and we would also be able to ease traffic congestion in this very important ring road, especially once institutes open. We have also decided that we will make Veronica Lane, which is the area where we will have the hawkers relocation, to be a no traffic entry zone for a certain period during the day, so that we ease the traffic congestion, especially in the interest of the people, differently able students who are studying in the 2-3 institutes.
In a jubilant gathering at Snaps Aim College, Maukarwat, the KSU Maukarwat Circle extended a warm welcome to the returning athletes from Southwest Khasi Hills after their commendable performance in the 5th Meghalaya Games 2024. The meeting graced by key figures including Puljon Wanyang, Organizing Secretary KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District, Poldip Tongwa, President KSU Maukarwat Circle, and Rutherford Lingdo, General Secretary KSU Maukarwat Circle, celebrated the athletes alongside YG Lingdo, Working President MDSA District Leaders, and Munli Roy Lingdo, General Secretary SSS Southwest Khasi Hills District. The district showcased exceptional prowess, securing 16 gold, 18 silver and 18 bronze medals, securing an impressive 5th position overall. The event also saw the active participation of family members and KSU members from various units, marking a momentous achievement for Southwest Khasi Hills.
Yalam nanti yang ini nadu asngi kapong nimi nangni don kitim jungi kipalami nadu kandai terik seneng hakaba ngira poisuk bat ngirawan paisuk ngirawan poisuk bat hakaba ngirawan pai ni dap dak jing sukmen hakaba lisi kaniga jinglek jungi mentah karigawi naki jinglek kiba kham kerpang hakaba ngilik boleh sementara ya kar kompenian ya kami Meala Games. Kue kalong balisi haki por ke balada pro rangilik Meala Games ngi lek be Shillong kalong pe ke Bosco ke kata-kata nak menta jongi kumki nong yalam ya ke bangin yalam be yalam berti ya ki kena jongi. Tian rei hang thi hatura nak liang jonga ngaso konong ba kamdei ke Bosco hakaba tan kaca kasar teng-teng ngim yatiap sanu kutu ke kontingen sanu kutu ke disiplin kasa namar ba kidon hadu sopo pratli ki jakasa nadu ki nongile kai hadu ki official but pro ki ba involved ya kan ka Meghalaya Game mangti te kalong ki ba adu kata kata tenrei kani gadi tang kalantia ya ka ba kumnungin sutu te nagalyang jungan ko ba na hapan panma na ki pranong elam tim managers coach ki athletes players dungi ki balik pada sementara ketika fifth Meghalaya Game dungi ia ka balik si nagalyang jungi akum kinong elam hakapa hakaju kapor nagalyang jung ka Meghalaya State Olympic Asian kabu yang akum chef division hakapedi Peit lang ia ki disiplin jung ka Southwest District tenrei ngala pan ong mene sibun ki jung duna ngimla pan ong 100% ngin biang tenrei ia ki ki pa te nagalyang junga na kentu kerpat ia ki peranong kitkli ki ba lalik penyesim tanti ba to ngin bu ia ki jung duna sedit tenrei ngin ya tepat dakwi kalenti hakaba kumbang mene kani kisin ke penungkong kani ka experience dungi ya kembali si hagawi pat ka Meghalaya Games kumpul declare angti bukanong hajuai husnam arajar alpau arpsat te ngangit ba kanong donsu kanu ke juduna nakalyang jong ka ki contingent ani contingent yo ka district Southwest District dungi ba ngin ya kendu jenge hangte hagapagi net benesim mentah te kani kadi tang ba ka jingi ya plu jumur ka jingi te ba ka jingi ai jumur lang te kawi ka benta ka ba ngakwa ban pawang ni nakalyang jongi ngidap da ka jingi dokumen ha ka ba ngila panong ba ia kani ka jingi penkre ya ka Meghalaya Games deng ba jong ka district jong ki district disiplin hi baro le si nim dalong ki ba la penkre pa ha kani ka ayom Tagari kawin marba kani kadi kayong kabangim don por ya kabangin lek samarang dari kibubun ila lamit lagi kam yeng kam sem kam so ma kibubun kam khoi kam doi ti kata kadi kawin kijinge bat kawin ka benta kabangi ngakwa pen percaya hangi krang buinya tip lang bro kani ka competition kabangin lek satura mta kadi ka each category ti ngiduna ki participat namar ba ki reduce ya ki athletes Tadai hangta hakabali si nakalyang dumini duna ya kajingyo ya ki medal. Tadai kumbala pun sengau da ki nongelam juga ki isu ba miso kumen mon ong.
Kuat District Sports Association but yapi ki Samla ki ba longkadau ko bangiyo banya luma kani kapor ki ba pilawan ra.
Bhoi district witnessed the maiden edition of the one-week open to all football tournament organized on January 22nd at Umdihar ground by the youth of Umdihar. RB Shada, president of Bhoi District Sports Association, and Augustine Makri, secretary of Umdihar, graced the event alongside Marlik Sinkli, president of Seng Samla Shnong, and its members. The spirited match between Rolling Stone FC and Ringdop Sports Club captivated the crowd, culminating in Ringdop's victory through a tiebreaker. The tournament marked a significant milestone, showcasing the passion and talent of Umdihar's emerging football enthusiasts.
Dahilali payadin kasalong dan umuwi berkejur. Tikani kamadan lu kalau punta. Ngakwa bakane kamadan kumbangilau bakwa nuanra ia kane ke tournament haum dihar. Kide ki klub baro ki klub ki ban simenta ki ong imat kambahai bangin le final dan ban le semi ban le ya ki quarter haum dihar. Nama balai kalong ba kane kamadan kalong pedeng kane kamadan kadon pelang ada pilih saberembong Kijing kia rembiang, kijing kasyong kambiang, badan kurkalang, pinlay hamsning, kamadan kamadan jongkan negasional patarim, hang tu penyui ba kamadan kahe, tambah kamlong pada kau itenat, kadang long deusau, kadang mi kimau, jikasyong bumbiang, jadi nak tak tahu pilih pamsim ru kiong, hapamsim kalit kejaka, kani kamadan Umdihar ke kumbagalong menta. Baro kikwa bagi tournament kindan hangne. Jadi mangi pada ki Samla Shnong, ki klub hangne Shnong, ka Shnong Umdihar he, haba kiwe ki Peit ya ki khmat ki biyo itnat ya kane ka madan de mangi pade ki banang ban maintain ya ka balada pinang ban penia lane ban ron ya ki tournament ki pun hangne kanang khring bun ki jimen toy na benta ki nong song ki jongi haba pi penia ya football tournament hangne mano ba yonong ki nong song Kibu dukan, kidi kuai, kidi sana, kidi alumuri, kidi haba kidi kata kidi kajurat jurian jongki. Nga sutenat bahal ada ngi kum ki Samla ngi imsngi ban continue ya kene kajipnia ya hukum kini ki tournament. Pai mentaro ngai ladan ki dukan babu, dukan sya, dukan ja, dukan sana. Ki kena ru babun kinyo banya don mahangne banya pikai api bat ke bakam gong san susu nang tagalong ba kasang Samla Shillong kam dei tang bakau kwa ban yo phon hendrei kakhanglat ia ki Samla bakin lek kai makanya saklau septap kam tam lele hagni brai klang kidi ki brai ki enjoy lei bam khana habali bam khana pi tv kajing prisoi kabun lapoi sakadi kabam tenaman ba piron ia kene ka tournament kumne ki kena ki bakwa balik kai sabar kim lekchu namar ki laya don hal ni apa amadan ka rong dok ni pam demu ni rong sak ya standar guys em kanang mo kisnam hai dari siap standar sa di mana mo pedang all the best.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.